like, oh my gosh, Betty, I'm so stoked that you're here. Oh, it's nice to see you too, Atwood. Wait until you see my latest work of art. You're going to think it's so nice. Oh, let me see it. Here we go. What do you think? It's me! For sure. How did you do that? Oh, I don't know. No, I really mean, how did Atwood do that? It's a mystery. Did someone say mystery? I did. Betty, you got more than just a mystery here. This is a math mystery, and I know just how to solve it.
Math Mysteries for Preschoolers from the Howard Whittemore Library.
Mathematicians, in order to solve the mystery of how Atwood made this picture of Betty, we have to gather some clues. Which means asking Atwood for permission to do something that I wouldn't normally ask an artist if I could do. Let's see what she says. Atwood? Like, hi! Oh, hi, Atwood. Hey, the mathematicians and I were wondering, we're trying to figure out how you made the picture of Betty, so would it be okay if we took the picture apart? Huh? Oh, we would put it back together again, I promise. If you take apart my picture, I will have a cow. Oh, I guess not then. Psych! You can take it apart for sure. Oh, thanks, Atwood. We'll put it back together, I promise. I'm Addie. Oh, bye, Atwood. Thank you. If you look closely at Atwood's picture, you'll see it's a collage. That means that Atwood used different colored pieces of paper in varying shapes to make a new picture. Let's start by looking at the green stem of the pumpkin. What do you notice when you see it? It's a shape, right? A shape with 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. This shape is a square. Then Atwood used some other shapes for the rest of the picture. Let's look at Betty's ears. If we carefully take them off the picture, we will see that they're definitely not squares, right? Do you know what this shape is called? This shape has an edge that goes all the way around without stopping. No corners here, right? This is a circle. Atwood used circles to make Betty's ears. But what about the rest of Betty's head? This isn't a circle or a square, right? This shape has 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. This is a triangle. And look, Atwood even used a tinier triangle for Betty's nose. Here, I'll show you. Look at this itty bitty triangle. 3 sides and 3 points. That's a triangle, all right. Now what's left? First, we can look at the hole in Betty's pumpkin. This black shape is another circle, right? And finally, what shape did Atwood use for Betty's pumpkin itself? Right, this is a circle too. Can you believe it? Atwood made a whole picture of Betty using just a few circles, triangles, and squares. Let's put the shapes back on the picture to make it again, and we'll count how many circles. Let's start. 1 circle here. 2 circles. 3, 4 circles. And how many triangles? 1, 2. Let's put those on next. One. 2 triangles. Put those circle ears back on. And then how many squares? Just 1. So our clues were circles, triangles, and a square. That's how Atwood made the picture, Betty. I'm gonna go tell her. Let's review the shapes. A triangle is made up of 3 straight lines. 1, 2, 3. When those lines connect to each other, those points are called corners. A triangle also has 1, 2, 3 corners. That is a triangle. Now let's look at a circle. A circle doesn't have any corners at all. It's one continuous line. It goes all the way around, right? That is a circle. And finally, today we talked about a square. A square is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. And those 4 lines connect to each other. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4 corners. We talked about a triangle, a circle, and square today. Wait a minute. I forgot to say what makes a square super special. The 4 sides are all the same length. They're equal. That's what makes a square a square. This side is the same length as this side, which is the same length as this side, which is the same length as this side. That's what makes a square special. So you see, Betty, the mathematicians and I collected circles, triangles, and a square from the picture that Atwood made. Those were our clues. You solved the mystery, mathematicians! Atwood made my picture by using shapes! Squeak! She sure did, Betty. Hey, I have an idea! Oh, what's your idea? Let's make a picture for Atwood using shapes! Oh, great idea. Will you help me, mathematicians? I think we could do it, Betty. Atwood and Betty look pretty different from each other, right, mathematicians? But I think that we could still use the same basic shapes, circles, squares, and triangles, to make a picture of Atwood. Let's try it out. Here's our paper. Now, let's review the shapes that we have. Circles, squares, and triangles. We are going to start with this circle. This will be Atwood's head. And we're going to use the next circle right away. This circle is Atwood's snout. Now we need to make Atwood's ears. What shape do you think we should use for that? I think this pink triangle would be a good ear. See? Whoops, I lost my tape. The triangle has 3 sides, right? We're going to put that 3-sided triangle right here. And now we need to make another ear. Another triangle. 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. Okay, it's starting to look like a pig, right? Now, we need to make Atwood's front feet. We've got 2 triangles and 2 squares left. What should we use to make her feet? Which shape? The squares, right? Here. Let's put 1 foot here. And another foot here. And finally, Atwood is a flying pig, so we need to make her wings. We're going to use triangles for that, because that's all that's left, right? Another triangle. 1, 2, 3 sides, and 1, 2, 3 corners. Oh boy, her wings are going to come right off the page. Another one. Okay. Put the tape on the wrong side. Just going to flip it over. There. Oh, it was on the right side. Here we go. Wow. That is one cool picture. Let me take it off the wall so you can see better. What do you think Atwood will think about this? It's missing something, isn't it? I think maybe a face. Let's try. Okay, I've got my marker. Let's draw eyes. And nostrils and a smile. What do you think? I think Atwood's gonna like it. Hey, Atwood! Hey, Betty! Hi, mathematicians! The mathematicians figured out how you made my picture. They solved the mystery. Oh yeah? How? With shapes! You're right, you totally guessed it! Well, there's something you haven't guessed. Huh? What's that? We have a surprise for you! A surprise? Where? Look behind you! What? Whoa! That is one choice picture! It's of me, isn't it? Yep, you guessed it! Wow, and it's made out of shapes. A circle snout, square feet, triangle wings, tubular! We thought you'd like it. Well, we did it, mathematicians. We solved another mystery. And you'll find that whether you like to draw pictures, like my 4-year-old daughter's skeleton, or make collages, or paint, whatever kind of artwork you like to make, shapes come in handy. Come back again next Wednesday for another math mystery that we can solve together. Have a great week.
Thanks for watching. Come back next Wednesday